Welcome to part 3 of the XMLP tutorial series for beginners. At this point, you may have already watched the previous videos and learned how to set up your PS Query data source, install the Word plugin, and created your first basic RTF template. Now comes the part of setting up what is known as the necessary report definition. This is where the data source and the template files are essentially tied together. We will review how to add a new report definition and upload and view the template in PeopleSoft. To define a report definition, you will need to navigate to Reporting Tools, BI Publisher, Report Definition, and then click on Add New Value. Type a name for the report. I will use Test AK as an example. Then select PS Query from the Data Source Type dropdown. Select Data Source ID, the name of the query, and this is what we created earlier. Click on the magnifying glass, make sure you locate the correct query, select your data source ID, click on Add. You will see multiple tabs on this page. We will cover the minimum required since this is a beginner's level tutorial. First, there is the definition page. Note that the report status is in progress to begin with. You can go ahead and set it now to active if you're planning on using the report right away. So let's go ahead and just do that. Notice that the template type is already set to RTF, which is what we want. Now, on the output page, we just keep the PDF format enabled. You may want to keep other formats if you want to give users the option to produce the data in multiple output types. It's totally up to you. On the security page, you can leave things to the default blank values, or you can add the PeopleSoft user role so that everyone with this role would be able to see the output of the report posted to the report manager. You can also limit this to specific users. Simply select ID type user, put in the net ID of the user that you want to access the report, and save. And this pretty much covers the basic setup. Now it's time to upload the RTF file that we created previously, our template. When you're in the template page, select an effective date for this. Keep the status as it is for now. Click on Upload. Browse to get to the file location for the RTF. Click on the RTF document. Click on Open. Upload. Just give it a couple of seconds. Make sure the template file is visible here. Go ahead and give it a description if you want. Change the status to active so that you can actually view it when you go to run it. You have the option to preview the file, and here's the data, and we're using the sample data for this. Go ahead and save it. Very, very important. All that hard work. And that is it. That was the information regarding how to define the report definition. Make sure to watch the final part of this beginner tutorial series, generating the XML report and scheduling it.